Honey, I see you looking at me.
Бля. Maybe I should host more often. I know, I'm late as shit. But how do I put it? It's like 14th of May right now. This shit should have came out like, I don't know, so a month ago. I mean, making a video about May highlights, but it's fucking June, so I guess I'm just gonna fucking start. So, as you guys know, well, I forgot to host. For a long time. Well, I didn't forget to do the debriefs. Well, some at least, the ones I had to. But on the serious note, the OW has been on a bit of a hiatus. You guys probably know this, those who are inside also know this, those who are outside probably also guessed it, since we had the exam session for Europeans. It's already over. I mean, I'm European. Numbers here, I escaped my theses, yippee. But for the rest of the guys, like British people, American people, there's still a few. And especially for those in colleges and high schools, there is a bit of a very fun stuff called midterm exams, which they have to deal with, but it's almost over because it's 14th of June, so yeah. But long story short, since I also had my thesis, which I did not prepare jack shit for, I also decided to take a break, and so did everyone else, so we decided to hibernate a bit. But now that it's June and summer is back, we are also reviving a bit. So expect more activity now because, well, I came back from my little period of lazyism, so we should also start seeing more hosts, like especially in games that we have proactive partnerships with. Now, more on that later. That's spoilers already. I'm not gonna spoil the entire video. I still need to get a bit bigger watch time on this one. So to say that we haven't fully decided to go on a hiatus because while I have been asleep, the officers have also been hosting. God bless the tribunals and good luck with them on their exams. Following is hyper ADHD edited new editing style, as you can see I'm experimenting a bit, of pure OWtism in every single field of existence, so grab your popcorn and prepare to watch.
I wish you got that one. Alright, let's get him. Dirty taser user, get the hell out of here.
I can do nothing, man. I can do nothing, man. There's 3 of you versus 1. Fucking go.
Yeah. Okay, see what's happening. Chainsaw me, get out of here. Where's he going? Chainsaw me. He's after me.
Get over here!
Bro, like more contact. 50%, we can do this. We can do this.
The fuck you mean round 1? It's round 2, bitch!
I'm now dead. Holy shit.
Yeah.
The Chainsaw Man guy, Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man guys, oh my gosh. Yo, what the hell? What the hell? Yo, what are you doing?
Guys, what the fuck is this? Let's get a
You said you weren't fucking drunk.
I think he is. No, he's sober. He's sober.
Billicus, get in here before they come. Don't touch me again!
Jehu time. Slash FAQ. You traitor.
Guys, the commander's like right behind the door.
The commander? The useless man. Okay, hold on. You didn't sit to be the helicopter, he decided to bail out.
So yeah, as you can see, we haven't really died out completely. We still held some pretty decent passive activity, and as you guys have also seen from the previous What is montage, we also have a good developmental history. So to do a bit of a recap, ever since CT8 we've had the project of the Divine Prophet Custom Morph, the Hunt, the Faction-wide Custom Morphs, Divisionless, and now we're actually making it real. As you guys have seen, the inside has known early since May, the outsiders recently-ish. I found out that we partnered with West Game at the actual studio, Nullus Entertainment Studios, in front of Chairman Manobulus, developing the game Area X. It's a really good game. We have played it a lot since December. We have been very active in it, and we had a bunch of events, their official deployments. We have actually moved onto the game as a faction, somewhat recognized, not entirely by the community, but by the administration. And right now we're all currently hosting SSUs. The game may be dead, of course, but they're working on a remake. And those who are here who haven't played it or who haven't but decided to take a break, I encourage you to revisit it. The remake is very soon. On 28th of June it's happening. At least this is the date that we have been given, and I wish to see all of you there. We still host some SSUs there from time to time to revive the game, and as of right now you should see more hosts. And even with 6 to 8 people, the game can really be fun. You don't need a myriad of people to make an SCPF game or SCPF genre game be really fun. With this detail out of the way, I guess we can come back to the actual important faction stuff, because this is also important, but we'll discuss it later. Since I don't want to divulge too much, but we will be getting our own spawn in the game and our own morphs. As you saw, the Sentinel morphs, the Raider morphs, even Proby morphs. Hell, we also have revamped Command morphs and even the Wardens, which I have discussed about the Wardens. They're like a 5th Tribunal rank. After Tribunal Marshal, after you pass through all of the Tribunals, you become a Warden. It's like a pseudo-high come pseudo Tribunal, really cool stuff. You'll find out more. We're working on that. We also have the Hunt, and which Hunt Hybrid Utility Neutralization Task Force is the oldest division that the OW has ever had. It's been a really long-standing project. It's been 3. The Sentinels, Vehicle Protection Unit, Crusaders Main Force, and the Angels, the Elite Strike Force of the Hunt, which is basically the right hand of ICOM. The re-engineer remake, and of course, the Prophet Custom Morph, which now has like 8 generations. So as you see, a lot of progress, and I guess I'll let the show keep rolling. Would you look at that? The sun also decided to come the fuck out. So yeah, now you get to see me twice as dark. And you get to see my room better. But anyway, thanks for sticking to the end. Shout out to everyone who appeared in the photos, to the GFX artists who decided to make our GFXs, everyone who helped with the assets. And a reminder, the Raider XM session is open now. So kudos and good luck! And toodles!